How to delete a credit card from Amazon. So first is you have to go to your Amazon application. All you have to do is to go to your profile. So on the bottom part, you'll see a profile icon there. Just tap on that and then it will lead you here. Now, on the upper part, you will see there your four sections such as your orders, buy again, your account, and your lists. So go to your account, and then I want you to scroll all the way down till you see the payment section there and just tap on your payments. Under your payments, it will look like this, and above rewards and balances, you will see all your credit cards and debit cards that are connected to your Amazon account. So all you have to do is to choose or click the credit card that you want to remove or delete from your Amazon. So let's just take this for example. For example, this is your credit card, and beside the credit card's name on the right side, you will see the word edit there on blue. Just tap on that and scroll all the way down, or on the bottom part you will see remove from wallet option there, and then you just have to tap on that and then just confirm it and then go back to your wallet here again, and you will see that your credit card is now removed or is now deleted from your Amazon account. And basically that is how you delete credit card from Amazon, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.